Percy? Whatever is the matter?
Sorry, sir, but there's a very important letter we forgot to deliver to you.
I've seen this kind of letter before. But that was when we had a visit from the Queen.
Is she coming to see us again?
Who will be pulling her train?
Wait a minute. I've not read the letter yet. Her Majesty, the Queen, requests the company of Sir Topham Hatt, who is to receive a special award for his services to the railway. Please attend Buckingham Palace, London, at 3 o'clock on Wednesday. But that's tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
I must take sir.
All right, settle down now, please. There's more to read. Also, by request of the young prince, the engine that brings you to London must be Thomas the Tank Engine.
Thomas!
Sorry I'm late, sir. You see, a cow strayed on the line, and we had to... What? I'm not that late, am I?
Not at all, Thomas. In fact, I need you to have an early night, so you'll be ready for a very important trip tomorrow morning. We're off to meet the Queen!